In this video, we're going to see which model is better, Seedream 5 Lite or Seedream 5 Pro. So to do that, what we're going to do is using the same prompts with the two models. So let's copy the first one. Let's go here and paste this prompt. Here we're using Seedream 5 Pro. And now let's change the model to Seedream 5 Lite. Now I'm going to do the same with the other two prompts. And then we will see the result. Perfect, here we have the images, so now let's analyze them. First, let's see this image of the river. And personally, I like it a lot. It looks really clean and realistic. So now let's see this other one. Well, I think that I like it more this one. So let's see the model. And it was Seedream 5 Pro. Now, let's see the pasta. I personally think that I like it more this one than this other. So let's see the model. And it was Seedream 5 Pro. So finally, let's see these two images. And here, I think that both are really good images. For me, this is a draw, but I don't know what you think. In this case, this one is Seedream 5 Pro, and this other image is Seedream 5 Lite. So well, I don't know what you think. I personally like it both, but a little bit more Seedream 5 Pro. So if you want to try them, you can do it in Novat's AI with the trial of $1. With that, you could do like 20 images like these ones. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section and see you in the next video.